Hi, my name is Vida Simon, and this is Jack Stanley. We're from Montreal, and we're artists in residence through a program with La Chambre Blanche in Quebec City. And we're here for 2.5 months.
Well, it's part of an exchange between La Chambre Blanche and Bolide.
Yes.
So artists come to Girona, and artists from Girona and the region go to Quebec City. Okay.
So we're here working on a project called Carried Away, which we've been developing since 2017. And each time we do the project, it's different because we work very much in response to particular sites, the weather, the people we meet, the research that we do, the space.
Yeah, and because we've done the project in 5 different locations now, sites over the course of, since 2017, the nature of the project is also shifting. It started out with a kind of a very clear structure, in the sense that Vida would be live drawing, and my role was as kind of witness and kind of as a viewer who would interrupt her whenever a drawing or a performative action was at what I judged or saw as a really interesting point for everything to stop and just be held for a while, because the structure of the piece, which continues to this day, is its durational performance, centering on live drawing, presented as an installation which continuously evolves. There's no real closure. But given that we've been working on it so long, our roles are kind of morphing. The original structure of the project continues to evolve and shift.
And you're even drawing now, too.
I'm drawing now. I mean, right from the beginning, I felt quite awkward about this role as kind of the person to judge when something was finished or not. And so, thanks to Vida's encouragement, also to encouraging me to step out of that role. The project's at a very nice place right now. We're a bit overwhelmed by our time here at Bolide, and maybe this is a good chance to thank everyone, the team at Bolide, Deanna, Parnes, the interns, Ingrid, the new director.
Also, Mark Ojos Negros, who has kindly given us charcoal, because usually we make charcoal at each place, but because of the danger of forest fires, we weren't able to do that. So we're really happy that he was able to provide us with charcoal to draw with.
Yeah. There's also Xavier.
Yeah, from Pact.
From Pact, who, in collaboration with Bolide, have given us St. Lucia Chapel to work in. It's like, I was saying earlier to someone, it's overwhelming. The space itself is so grand and so beautiful. And coming from Canada, I mean, Canada has a deep history, but in many respects it's a very short history, especially in terms of its material culture and well, on lots of levels. But to be here in this site is super inspiring, super challenging.
Yeah, we're really excited to continue, and we'll also be doing performances outdoors. So we did one yesterday here in the chapel, but we'll be inhabiting different spaces around the city.
Yeah, we've identified 4 or 5 locations in the city, so that's part of the next step.